Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. Super excited about this one. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Zena back here. Wyatt is here too. The gang is all here, and I have a Your Bijoux box for you today, but not just the monthly Your Bijoux box. This one is a special Your Bijoux box. It is the summer box. What? Yes. This is the summer box, so it is basically an add-on box. It's called the Summer Beach Box. There are two options that you can choose from. It's $54.99, but it's a $250 value. You can get the pineapple box or the surf van box. Two to choose from. So if you are a subscriber, go out there, check it out now. Make sure you get yours, because once it's gone, there's no more. But I have a chance for you to get your very own, because I have a giveaway for you. So I have a chance for one of my amazing subscribers to get their very own summer box. So details to come. Hang tight. Let me show you what this box looks like first. I love, love, love Your Bijoux Box. If you've not caught one of my monthly unboxings, I will link it up above for you, so you get a chance to check them out, because they are absolute fabulosity. Shayna, who is the curator behind all of these amazing collections, does so much work to get just the right pieces put together for these boxes, and I love them. So her monthly box is 3 pieces of jewelry plus a bonus accessory, and both the June and July collections had an extra piece of jewelry, so they actually were 4 items. Amazing. They're $49.99 a month. You can customize if you don't want earrings. If you don't have pierced earrings, then you can get something else instead. And if you use my code FREEHAPPY, you'll get an extra piece of jewelry in your first box. So I'll put that information down below. But as I said, this one is a special box. $54.99. It is their summer beach box. Came inside this outer bag. All right. And here's what I'm seeing. So I got the pineapple one to share with you. I'll put a picture up above of the surf van one as well, so you can see the difference. The jewelry will be the same, but the accessories will be a little bit different, and I will show you those first. So first up is the pineapple snack bag. How cute is that? And it is quite roomy. Check out the bottom. I love that. Love the handles. Put all kinds of goodies. Love the pink. Love the gold. Love everything about it. It's a little lunch tote. Adorable. And it can fit right inside the pineapple beach bag. Matches perfectly. And this came at a perfect time, because we're hopefully headed to the beach here in just a little while. I'm trying to work ahead for you all, so I have some videos to share while I'm gone. How pretty is this? And fits right inside. Adorable, right? Okay. Then I have all the goodies inside my little pineapple beach box, and we're going to dig right in here. And yes, I do have giveaway details coming up here in just a moment, but I want to show you what's inside so you know what you have a chance to win. The box is adorable, right? Okay, so first up I see this mystery piece, which is a headband. How pretty is that? I believe the headband comes in both of them. This is valued at $60. This is a Deepa Gurani piece. And look how pretty that is. Gorgeous, right? Let's see if I can hurry and put it on for you. How pretty is that? So my hair is a mess today. I've been working outside. The wind's been blowing. So please don't mind it. But look how pretty. At least I can show it to you. All right, I have a jewelry pouch here we're going to get to, but look what else I have. A little jewelry tray. Is that not adorable? In love. In love. Okay, let's check out the jewelry. And I think these are all freshwater seed pearls. So I can't wait to check them out. Yep, first up I have earrings. Look how pretty those are. Love the dangle. Gorgeous, right? They are, have the dangle earring, the hook. They're not a post. We're going to put those on. Just a moment. I'll put everything on for you at once and show it to you. And then I also have the freshwater seed pearl necklace, and this one has a magnetic closure. She thinks of everything. How beautiful is that? I love a magnetic closure. You see that? Beautiful, right? Oh, makes it so easy. Oh, just like that, all done. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Put these earrings on for you. I can show you everything. I am probably not dressed for all these beautiful pieces. These require a much prettier outfit than I have on today. I'm a little bit casual. It is Sunday that I am filming this for you. Working ahead, like I said, a bit because I have a crazy work week for me. But I wanted to make sure that I got to share these beautiful pieces with you. I feel like a princess right now. So pretty, right? How pretty. All right, that is all of the items. I love, love, love all of them. They are so pretty. Here's a closer look at the headband. I love that detail. I think you can wear it different ways, wherever you want to put your hair, up, down, however you like it. All gorgeous. That's everything. If you swap it out for the surf van, which is adorable, I believe it's the bag and the lunch bag and the tote bag or beach bag that would be different, but the jewelry should be the same. Also the tray. The jewelry tray would be different, but the jewelry would be the same. All right, perfect. So I went over all the details, but let's talk about the giveaway. So how do you have a chance for one of my subscribers to win one of these amazing collections? Very easy. I'm going to post this on Friday, so you're seeing this on Friday, July 30th. You'll have until August 8th in order to get a chance to win. So please enter before that, because I will draw the winner at some point on Sunday, August 8th, okay? A lot of times I do that around lunchtime, so be sure to make sure that you have entered before August 8th. I want you to comment Summer Beach Box down below. So comment Summer Beach Box, 3 different words, and I'll put all this information down below so you know exactly what to do. But Summer Beach Box, because I'll use a random comment picker to pick the winner. You must be a subscriber, of course. So if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. I will ask you to confirm if I'm unable to confirm it on my own. Of course, you must be 18 years or older to win, and only 1 entry per person. You also, very importantly, must follow Your Bijoux Box on Facebook. That is super important, since Shayna is the one that is going to be giving this collection away. So very important that you do follow Your Bijoux Box on Facebook, and I'll put that information down below for you as well. So a huge thank you to Your Bijoux Box for allowing this giveaway to be possible. But I'll put all of the details down below for you to make sure that you know what to do to enter the giveaway. All right, so what did you think? How pretty. Love, 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 right? The beach bag is adorable. Came just in time for me. Love the little lunch bag as well. So pretty. And how gorgeous is the jewelry tray. And of course, the headband and my jewelry pieces. So if you want to get one for yourself, $54.99, I'll put the information down below for you. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Good luck in the giveaway. Please do enter. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please give it a thumbs up. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.